Hey guys, Budney here. I'm going to be opening up some new brakes for you today. Hopefully you enjoy this. Before I get started though, please make sure to follow me here on YouTube, follow my page, check out some more of my videos, and leave your comments in the section below. Now I have been forewarned that there might only be a handful of douche-tards that'll actually watch this. So Myron, Luan, Matt, maybe even Paul, I'm watching you. Okay, let's get started. What we're going to be opening up here is a nice set of the AP Racing Radi-CAL II brakes, calipers, the 390mm rotors, J-hook rotors, as well as all the hardware to mount to my 2015 Camaro 1LE that is currently still in shambles from the last track day. So let's take a look at what we have in here. Okay, oh, I opened up the other one earlier just to double check everything. This one actually has our spec kit, so that's kind of nice. I was wondering about that. Okay, so this appears to be what we call in the business a box within a box. So I don't know if it has something to do with the fact that I feel they have to secure the contents in an extra, I don't know, what is that, 1/4 inch of cardboard, corrugated cardboard, yeah. That probably withholds another 3.5 ounces of actual weight that could damage what's in shipping. So I really appreciate that on Stillen's part. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. I believe this here should be our caliper mounting bracket. And I'll just forewarn you right now about the crappy quality of this video. I could have probably got out a GoPro, done this the right way. That's our caliper mounting bracket. Now here's what's crazy. If you look, here's the factory caliper, and the mounting bracket for the new caliper is only slightly smaller than the factory caliper on the 1LE. So now let's take a look at the real goods here. There she is. Get this out of here for you. Let's take a good look. The AP Racing Radi-CAL II. So there, to give you a little comparison, quite a bit different in size. And as you'll see here, it's a really nice setup. You've got nice size pads in there behind the 6 pistons. If we turn it this way, basically got 2 hex screws that hold your spring, and then 2 guide pins that hold your pad in there. And these just come with a street pad, so we'll be upgrading those to the Hawk DTC 70s here soon for NCM here in a couple of months. We'll check out what else we got in here. Stillen was kind enough to send me this thing that I would never put on my car. So I'll just go ahead and take care of that real quick. And we've got our, looks like our Loctite, our mounting bolts, one of our stainless steel lines. Okay, now I get to see this beast in all of its glory. Amazing 390mm rotor. Find a place to plop this bad boy down. kitchen sink seems like a good place. It's not really the kitchen. But yeah, there it is. You can see I do have kind of small hands. They're not that small though. You guys are a-holes. Yeah, I mean, it's a good size rotor. I don't know if I'll be able to hold it to a real comparison here, but you can kind of get the gist of the difference there. If you take a look at the size of that one versus what that looks like, I mean, it's pretty big. That's what she said. Okay, we'll just go ahead and put this, looks like there's one more piece of paper in here. Let's check it out, see what that piece of paper might say. Oh, it's a note. Oh. Matt, yellow calipers are for douche nozzles and fuck sticks. Get your head out of your ass. And it's signed, regards, the entire sports car fan population. Yeah, I'd say that seems about right. Well, that about wraps up our box opening. Glad I could share this with you. This is probably one of the dumbest things that I've ever put on YouTube. Second to some of my Forza racing videos, because it's a video game, not real life. So until next time, you know, when we get into the installation here, probably post some videos of that, or at least some pictures, and get it out there. Let people like Matt rip on me for doing what was right and putting red calipers on the car, like a sports car is intended to have. Okay, well, like I said, feel free to like my page, leave your comments, even though I won't read them, and even if I did, I really wouldn't care.